In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Canva to find and use the perfect templates for your next project. Canva is a fantastic resource for graphic design, offering a wide array of templates suitable for various needs, from business presentations to catchy social media visuals and educational materials. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking designs with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva home. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so, as it will give you access to all the tools and features Canva offers. Once you're on your Canva homepage, you're ready to start exploring. Next, you'll want to click on the Templates tab. This is your gateway to a myriad of design options. Canva categorizes templates to make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you need a dynamic presentation for a business meeting, a sleek social media post to boost engagement, or an engaging flyer for an upcoming event, there's a template for you. Within the templates section, you'll find a variety of categories. These include business, social media, education, and several others that cater to specific design needs. Take some time to scroll through these categories and get a sense of what catches your eye. Remember, you don't have to stick to just one category. The great thing about Canva is the flexibility it offers, so explore freely and see which designs resonate the most with your project goals. Once you've chosen a category, you can further refine your search by selecting your desired template. At this point, think about the overall look and feel you want. Consider color schemes, typography, and layout. Canva's templates are fully customizable, so even if a template doesn't fit your vision perfectly from the start, you can adjust elements to suit your style. After selecting a template that meets your needs, you're almost there. This is where the true magic happens. Begin personalizing the template by adding your own content, such as text, images, and other elements that align with your project. Canva's drag and drop feature makes adjusting design elements straightforward, allowing you to experiment with different looks until you're satisfied. And just like that, you're done. With Canva, creating stunning and professional designs is not only possible, but also incredibly efficient. You've learned how to navigate through Canva's vast template library, choose the best option for your project, and customize it to make a unique design. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to tackle your next design project with Canva. Happy designing!